this, that, these, those. In today's video, we will learn the difference between this, that, these and those.
We use this, which is singular, and these, which is plural, to refer to someone, or something that is near.
For example, this orange, these oranges.
We use that, which is singular, and those, which is plural, to refer to someone, or something that is far from the speaker.
For example, that orange, those oranges.
This. This is singular. This orange. That. That is singular. That orange. These. These is plural. These oranges. Those. Those is plural. Those oranges.
This, that, these, those. This is a dog. That is a dog. These are dogs. Those are dogs. This, that, these, those.
This is my office. That is my office building. These are my friends. Those are my colleagues. This. That. These. Those.